What it do, family? What it do? Damn, my battery about to die. It's man 9 million back with another vlog, man. Got up at 0 dark 30, got on the road, made it to my appointment on time. Spent the last couple of hours here getting unloaded. Then I noticed, damn, it would be on the other spot. Damn. There it go. I noticed, got a flat spot on the tire. So, I'm gonna have to go get this fixed. Cause I don't need no DOT interruptions, you feel me? I don't need that in my life. What was I gonna say too? That's basically it. Oh, I was gonna say, my next load is already set up. My appointment's not till 4 fucking o'clock though. Ain't nothing but what, 11:30 right now. So I definitely got time to go get this tire fixed, but I don't even know if, hold on, I don't even know if I got enough time on my clock. I only got 6 hours and 53 minutes, so yeah, I got enough time on the clock to make it there. Hopefully it's a fast load. Always fucking something, man. Always fucking something. Alright, man, so I'm just now leaving my goddamn last gig. I got unloaded and I noticed like most of my tire is good, but when I did my pre-trip, I must have been parked on the spot where it's kind of flat. So I know it's a flat spot in my tire. So I'm heading to a tire shop now to get that fixed. I think I talked about that already. Yeah, I did. So yeah, I'm headed to a tire shop to get fixed after waiting over an hour to get a reply from the gig. So I'm just gonna go to this company that I know they've dealt with, that I went to last time. It's just a different location. It's getting ugly outside. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it fixed at this location. Maybe they can call somebody and get in touch with them, because I've been waiting, and I would like to get to my next loading. Get to my next load early to see if they can just fit me in, man, so I ain't gotta wait till 4 o'clock to get loaded. So we'll see, man. Stay tuned. Yeah. Stay tuned, man. I'll holler at y'all at this tire shop, and we'll just go from there. Thanks for rocking, man. Thanks for rocking, G. Thanks for rocking. Alright, fam. Got my tire fixed, man. They did that about 30 minutes. About 30 minutes or so, in and out of there. Now I'm at my pickup location, and they did say they gonna load me. It is like 3 o'clock, not 4 o'clock, so it's only an hour early, but still I need all the extra time I can get. I only got 3 hours left on my whole clock, my all-day clock. That's it. That's all. I ain't never been to this place either. This is Pepsi. So I hope they fast, man. I hope they fast. After this, I head home. I drop this trailer and pick up an empty one at the yard at the crib. So I just hope they fast. Like I said, I only got 3 hours left, so hopefully they can get me in and out, and then I can go find somewhere to park for the night. I'm supposed to be going home, making it home tomorrow, but it's not looking like I'm gonna be able to do it, y'all. Don't look like it. I'm over 600 miles, 600 and some change. 630, 650, somewhere in between there. So anyway, stay tuned, stay tuned. Thanks for rocking with your boy. 30 minutes and counting, y'all. Told y'all I was getting ugly out here. Man. To be clear, I've been sitting here over 30 minutes. 36 minutes to be. No, hold on. Did I say 58? Yeah, 36 minutes to be exact. Sorry, man, my brain moving slow. You see that red light still blinking. Hope this rain die down a little bit before I gotta go out there and hook this bitch back up. I do got some waterproof boots and some rain pants and rain coat, so I'm good. I ain't tripping. I'm good. I ain't tripping. I am tired though. Been going all day, man. Up. That's the worst part of the gig to me, honestly. Is hurry up to get somewhere just to sit. I get it. They gotta load me up. But damn, we could do it faster, shit. I ain't gonna be ungrateful. But yeah, the way it's looking, I ain't gonna be able to make it home until Sunday. Unfortunately, then I gotta go back out again on Monday. Tell me that ain't some bullshit. I was thinking to myself, I was like, shit, would I have taken this job if this was like the only shift they had? If I had to go out, you know, be home a day and a half only. It's just enough time to reset just to get back to work. And then I told myself, I was like, self, you know you wouldn't. Hell no, I wouldn't have. Straight up. A day and a half off only? Nah, I wouldn't have taken it. But I got finessed. They say the industry's slow right now, so they couldn't keep us moving on the weekends. We was sitting around too much, so they put all of us that was on this 6 and 2 schedule on a 5 and a half, 1 and a half schedule. And I can't say I am happy about it. I told myself, or I told y'all too, but we talked about it when it first happened. I said, I'm gonna give it a little while, you know what I mean? See how I go, see how I like it. And it's been a little while and I don't like it. So, yeah. Just got my paperwork. Finally got me loaded. I got 49 minutes left on my clock. So that should be enough to get me to a truck stop. Gotta hook back up now. Damn. Huh? Finally. How long did it take? I think they started at 4. So what time is it? An hour and a half? I got here at 3 though. So yeah, it's just drizzling now. It's not storming like it was. I'm glad it's not. Look. But look, I should say. Not cuz, but look. I got my boots on. Wow. This is deep, bro. Getting that in them holes, we good. Yeah, we good. We made it. So make sure we hooked up in here. Oh yeah, we good. Alright fam, I'm gonna do this. I'll holler at y'all later. Damn, I gotta put it in low gear. Probably. Alright, yeah, I'll holler people. Alright fam, man. I ain't gonna make it to a truck stop unless I pass one on the way to the yard. The yard was about 10 miles, 15, in between 10 and 15 miles. I forget the exact number, but in between 10 and 15 miles away, or closer than the truck stop. So I'm gonna just go to the yard. I have 20 minutes left on my clock, and my map on the truck GPS says I got 17 minutes to get there. So if you can do math, that's a 3-minute difference. And it's 6 o'clock in the PM. I already ran into some traffic. That's what kind of pushed me back even more. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna keep the camera on so y'all can be a part of this journey, and we'll take it there. See y'all on the you know, when I get parked or whatnot. Peace. So blurry. Anyway, I got 2 minutes left, y'all. 2 minutes. I made it in the nick of time. I hate that shit. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why, because they don't really give a fuck. As long as they get their shit, it's cool. But I was gonna say, I don't know why they give me such a late ass load. I don't know why they got me such a late ass load. But like I said, I just have to rephrase that and say, yeah, I do know exactly why, because they don't get no fuck. As long as you get that shit there on time for them. It's whack, man. Long ass day for no damn reason. I wasn't able to get a chance to check my weight or nothing. Paper, it's like 43,000. It's like 43,600 pounds. Pretty sure I'm good, but I would like to get my weight checked. What I did was, I think I can spare one more hole, maybe two. The center of the axle's here, and you see it's over here. Boom. So I need to come. I can probably come back to about here. Boom. That'll be good. So I don't know. Shit. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. Ready to be home, man. Family got back into town. I was supposed to be able to see them tomorrow, but now I gotta fucking travel, stop and sleep, and then get up, and then I'll be able to make it home. Anyway, y'all don't need to hear me complaining. I keep this shit to myself, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hit that like button. Come back tomorrow, man. Follow the journey. Follow the journey with me. Peace.